Our body is a superb network of interacting systems, also known as organ systems. Think of them as different departments in a huge company, each one doing a specific job. Take the circulatory system. It includes the heart, blood, and blood vessels. Its job? To pump and move blood around the body like a mail carrier delivering packages. Then we have the respiratory system, featuring the lungs and airways. It's our very own ventilation system, bringing in oxygen and getting rid of carbon dioxide. Next up, the digestive system. This is our personal kitchen and recycling center, breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Now, how do these systems form? Well, it starts with cells. Groups of similar cells unite to perform a function and form tissues. Like how muscle cells team up to form muscle tissue, giving us the power to move. When different tissues come together, they form an organ. Like the heart, it's a mix of muscle tissue for pumping blood, nervous tissue for sending signals, and connective tissue for structure. And when organs team up, they form organ systems, like the digestive system, which consists of the stomach, intestines, liver, pancreas, and several other team members. Organ systems interact with other organ systems to accomplish a common goal. For example, the respiratory system brings in oxygen, which the circulatory system transports to cells. The digestive system breaks down food into nutrients. And guess what? The circulatory system delivers these nutrients too. The nervous system is like the boss, controlling and coordinating all these activities. It's a fantastic team effort,